In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bio link website with Canva. A bio link page is a simple one-page hub that gathers all your important links in one place, perfect for social profiles that allow only a single URL, and it takes just a few minutes to set up. First, launch Canva in your browser or open the Canva app. On the home screen, click into the search bar and type "link in bio" or a bio link website. You'll see a collection of designer-made templates tailored for link hubs. Pick one that matches your brand's vibe, or start with a blank design if you want complete control. Templates are a great shortcut, but you can always customize them heavily to make them your own. With your canvas open, personalize the page using Canva's drag and drop editor. Add your profile photo and logo so visitors instantly recognize you, and include a short description that quickly sets expectations about who you are and what you're sharing. Customize fonts, colors, and background to align with your branding. Consistency is key here. Stick to 2 typefaces and a cohesive color palette for a polished look. Use alignment guides to keep elements tidy, and give everything enough breathing room so it's easy to scan. You can add social media icons, graphics, or images from Canva's free media library, or upload your own assets if you already have brand visuals prepared. Now, add the links you want to highlight. Insert text boxes or buttons for items like your website, latest blog post, portfolio, or other social profiles. Select the text box or graphic element you want to link, then click the chain-shaped link icon in the floating toolbar. Paste the destination URL and select Apply, or press Enter. Repeat this for each link. Keep labels short, clear, and action-oriented, and arrange links by priority so the most important ones sit at the top. Limiting the total number of links helps avoid clutter, and double-checking every URL prevents broken paths later. Before publishing, preview your bio link page on desktop, tablet, and especially mobile. You want the design to be responsive, with readable text, strong color contrast, and buttons that are easy to tap. If something looks cramped or misaligned, adjust spacing, font sizes, or element placement until it feels balanced and accessible. When you're satisfied, click the Share button in the top right corner and choose Publish Website. Canva will generate a live web page that's ready to share anywhere you promote yourself online. You now have a clean, branded bio link website you can keep updated as your content evolves. Thanks for watching.